I'm fairly confident that everyone would agree that surprise sex in the morning is the absolute best, unless you're in prison. Well, today's venture into prison food, we are going to try our hands at a prison burrito. Not sure what to expect from the ingredients, but can tell you one thing, there's enough of it to share with your cellmate. Just make sure you have a couple tortillas. What you're gonna need: package of your ramen noodles, package of cheese crackers, some Takis, some Cheetos, some popcorn, cheese, and some hot sauce. We're going with the Tapatio today since we're not doing an Asian style dish where I would utilize the sriracha. So we're going straight Mexicano with Tapatio. Let's see how this goes. Oh, obviously you need tortillas. First thing you want to do, get your ramen noodles. Gonna open our bag up, remove our seasoning packet, which we will be using. We'll add enough hot water directly to our bag, well, hopefully, and that's how we will cook our noodles today. We're gonna seal that bag up. Guess a twisty tie will work and allow it to do its thing. Next, we will get our popcorn and our seasoning packet, and we will put our seasoning packet inside the popcorn. Shake that up a little bit, crush a tiny bit, set that aside. We'll get our crackers, crush those up, our Cheetos, crush those up. We'll get our mixing bag, some of our Takis, we'll crush our Takis up. Mix our popcorn, just a little bit of our Cheetos, our crackers. That bag ended up a little too small. I need a bigger bag. Add some of our Tapatio hot sauce in there. Some of our cheese. And our noodles should be ready to go. And we'll mix all that together. And that will be our burrito stuffing. We have our warm tortilla and our burrito mix. It's questionable. Fill our burrito up like so. Give it a little more cheese, maybe a little more hot sauce. And there we go. We have us a prison burrito. Well, I would choose the term interesting. Not repulsive, interesting. There you go. Give yourself a prison burrito a try. Again, if you're on a budget, if you're stoned out of your mind, it's going to fill your belly. It has some flavor, has some texture. It's okay. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Be sure to subscribe and click the little enable notifications bell down below. Like it, share it, talk with me, comment down there. Tell me what you think. Prison food, you know? You guys have a great day.